This is room 740 at the Home2 suites. As you go in, you have the kitchen with fridge, freezer, seen it all before, good size, multiple cutlery, cups, and a generous size microwave, all very clean. And trash and dishware. Coffee. Ooh, steamy. Coffee cups. Room. Big. Quite nice. Maybe touch up and paint. But other than that, big large bed. Storage for cases in here. And big TV. Again, large storage area, drawers, and then your plate in here, and a wee area for your hanging your stuff, and an iron board, and an iron. Pretty good. Good size, good storage, lighting, and a view from here looks on to the, over here is Epcot and Magic Kingdom. Looking out, and to the right of us is the main entrance where you have Target, mini Target, and a lot of things in Flamingo crossing area. The charging for the parking is $10 per day. There is no 7 days, and then it's a one set fee. It's $10 per night for your stay, which used to be $70 for the whole stay, but it's cheaper still in most places. And right next to the property, shuttle service buses come from here, around Mains Gate I think it's called. You have to book 24 hours in advance, only 50 seats on it, and times are pretty varied for pick up for here and other places, so you have to get on the app or the website pretty fast to get to book your space for your transport. But like I say, they do Magic Kingdom, they do the TTC, they also do Epcot I believe, or no, Epcot Hollywood Studios. Have a look on the website and you'll be able to see where they take you and what times. 8:15 is the usual first pick up, and then after that's like 10:30 I think, which is pretty late I think. But aircon is good, and we'll go and do the bathroom next. So this is the bathroom for the restroom. As you can see, big large mirror, flat towels. You have to put the towels outside each day to get changed over, or your room service tidy up. Because I think every second day they tidy your reception. Big shower, and usual amenities in it. Looks decent enough, very clean. Usual check of the thing. Yeah, looks okay. And it then looks out onto, obviously, yeah, basically watchable for this lock. Because you can get yourself locked in, you need to push that and then slide. Something you get locked in it, it slides back into there. Okay.